All right, listen up, fam. Let me tell you something real quick, and I want you to hear this like I'm that one older bro who actually wants you to win. This whole thing, this whole mindset glow up you're chasing, it starts tiny, like stupidly tiny. And that's what Atomic Habits is all about. So picture this. You, not some superhero, not some billionaire dude on Instagram flexing cars. Nah, you. The version of you that you know you can become but haven't met yet. And this book, it's literally the roadmap to get there. The whole idea starts with this crazy simple thing, the 1% rule. Like, imagine getting just 1% better every single day. Not 100%, not some crazy overnight transformation, just 1%. You drink one more glass of water, you scroll 5 minutes less, you take a couple hundred extra steps. Tiny stuff you'd laugh at. But here's the twist. Small wins stack up, and small L's stack up too. Every time you say, it's just today, and skip the gym, or you doom scroll just for a minute, you're not staying the same, you're getting 1% worse. James Clear basically pulls your ear like an older brother and goes, bro, your habits aren't just things you do, there's literally who you become. And that's where identity hits. Most people say, I want to lose weight, I want to make money, I want to study more. But those are goals. Goals don't change you. But the moment you say, I am the type of person who works out, or I am the type of person who reads, suddenly something inside you shifts. Because habits stick only when they match your identity. You don't try to read books, you become a reader. You don't try to be healthy, you become someone who makes healthy choices. And then there's this habit loop thing. Cue, craving, response, reward. That's your brain running on autopilot. You wake up, see your phone, pick it up, boom, dopamine. That's why you're hooked. But the real magic is that if you can change the cue and the craving, you can literally rewrite your life. And with that come the 4 rules. Make it obvious, make it attractive, make it easy, make it satisfying. Want to read more? Put the damn book on your pillow. Want to drink more water? Keep the bottle in your face. Make the good stuff easy and the bad stuff hard. Because you don't need motivation, you need a system. Clear says this line that hits hard. You don't rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Meaning if your system sucks, your goals don't matter. And that's why your environment is your cheat code. Your room, your desk, your phone, these things control your habits more than your willpower ever will. If your phone is right next to you, you'll scroll. If your gym clothes are ready, you'll work out. It's not discipline, bro. It's setup. And breaking bad habits, same rules but flipped. Make it invisible, make it unattractive, make it difficult, make it unsatisfying. It's like hacking your own brain. But here's the part nobody talks about. Habits feel useless at first. You don't see results. You feel dumb. You think it's not working. But low-key, compounding is happening in the background. Silent, slow, building up brick by brick. And one random day, it all clicks. That's when tiny atomic habits turn into massive results. Every tiny choice you make is a vote for the kind of person you're becoming. And you don't need to be perfect, you just need to show up, even a little bit, even messy. So if you're listening to this, start small, start today, start however you can. Future you is watching, low-key smiling, waiting for you to make that next tiny move. And one day, that future version of you is going to look back and say, damn, glad you didn't quit on me.